Gwanyuma y'ebisharira bingi okutahirirwa abebembezi batandikireho uruyo kubicungura kandi no kubingamu abo boona babitahirire omu mashaza goona agarikora district ya Lyantonde.
Because the environment committee has a component of security, technical and political. So if we move together, we can get these people out.
The committee observed that many watersheds and wetlands have been degraded. Recommendation, Mr. Speaker, sir, the committee recommends this council that Senior Environment Office should sensitize or train the community members on protecting wetlands.
Inama yo kubinga batahirire ebisharira ebi etandikira ha kitebe kya district eya Lyantonde.
Netukkaanya twabawa ennaku zaaweddeko era tuli mu kutereeza mpapula za kubatwala mu kkooti.
Teka kubali abalima y'ennyaanya nga bafunamu okulabira abaka baabwe ne school fees ate ne muganda bana ne mukkiriza bano abantu okuzimbamu ebizimbe ebyabwe, and even now they are constructing many as possible.
Beitu bamwe mu batuura nibagira ngu embeera ekashoba karahabwa kugira ngu abandi nibabatambuusya amaisho birukanga hari abo abatiine kihwera.
The people have been written to, including one Mawuje. They have been written to. They were given 14 days. Then about the buildings that are there, they don't have plans. We are working with the Fiscal Planning Committee Town Council to verify why they were not given plans.
Gashakwa Sandeke William.